everyone, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. So for today's video, I decided to add a punch of color and create this ombre pink eye makeup look for you all. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you all like this look. Do try this out and let me know your views about it in the comment section below. And since you love us and our content so much, you can join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is down in the description box. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.